Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your real estate friend Freddy Chinoso, and today I'll be telling you how to make money through real estate. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, all I want you to do is to hit the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell to see more of my content. And on this channel we'll talk about real estate. So there are two ways you can make money through real estate. It's either capital appreciation or cash flow. So on today's video we'll be talking about capital appreciation. What is capital appreciation and how can you make money through capital appreciation? So what is capital appreciation? Capital appreciation is the increased value of a property over time. That means the value of a property increases over time and it generates you money. What leads to the increased value of a property is the development going on in that property. And in doing investment for capital appreciation, what you should be looking at for is the location of that property. The location of where you are buying that property stands as a key factor when investing in real estate to get money. So location is a key factor for cash appreciation. So what are the major things that influence cash appreciation? We're talking about the development, we're talking about infrastructure going on in that area. Is there a road construction in that area? Will there be a market in that area? Will there be a school in that area? Will there be a hospital in that area? So these are factors that increase the demand of property and it give it capital appreciation over a period of time. So if you buy a property, let me say you buy a property for 5 million naira, and within 3 to 4 years the property is selling for 10 million naira. You see, over a period of time you have received 50 to 60% of your investment. So cash appreciation is a way you can make money through real estate, and the most important thing you should look at for when dealing with cash appreciation is the location. So ensure that when investing for property to have cash appreciation, you should be looking at the location where you are buying the property. You should always buy a property in a strategic location. If you are watching this video and you want to invest in real estate that is going to give you capital appreciation, then I have a property on sale, and this property is called Castle View Estate. It is located in Enugu State, and this property it is just 5-minute drive for the smart school and 10-minute drive for the ultramodern market. It is along the 40-kilometer dual carriage road that lead to the north center. At the end of this video I'll be showing a clip of that video. So if you find this video helpful to you, I am Freddy Chinoso, your real estate friend. All I want you to do is to call or WhatsApp me on this number you see on your screen, 07067283262, and I will secure a plot for you that is going to give you capital appreciation and you can make money through real estate.